So what is AI Assistant in Structured Daily Planner app? So this is a new feature only while we use a pro subscription. But the idea is that like you can just write to this assistant like your description of your day, what you plan to do. Like, hey, I want to get up at 7 a.m. Then I want to go to, to do my business. And then I want to go for a run, and then I just want to go to swimming pool and stuff like that. And then lunchtime will be at this hour, and then you just write in like to your friend, and then this assistant will automatically create tasks and calendar slots for you automatically, and then you will just have your calendar view, and then it can be synced with basically your all other calendars like your Google Calendar, iCloud Calendar, and then there probably will be some reminders as well. So it's a pretty cool feature. I don't know if you can talk to it. Hopefully you can. Because there is Whisper API for ChatGPT, and it should be pretty easy to recognize. This like all the text just from your speaking. And then, so imagine you just talk to this app and automatically it creates all the tasks in a nice way in your calendar. So it's a pretty cool feature, and this quite cheap app. So it's only $3 per month, cheaper than Snapchat Plus or something. And yeah, you having a great value.